Hi everybody, my name is Ann Scarberry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this Patriotic Trifle. I've included the complete recipe in the description below. I also have a link to my blog where you can print out the complete recipe if you like to have a hard copy. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. It means so much. I am a brand new channel here on YouTube, and every subscriber, like, and comment means the world to me. If you give this recipe a try, comment below and let me know what you think of it. Also, let me know if you have any shortcuts or tips. I'm always a fan of a tip. One tip I would give you is to try to find an angel food cake that's already been made. Our store did not have any when I went to make this recipe, so I did make this with a box mix, and it was actually pretty simple, but it would cut down on the prep time if you found one already made. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be uploading daily. I have big plans for 2023, so please make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out. I will see you soon. Bye!